Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Ishita Verma, member of Ashish Kuparwan Retired Club, is here to represent my views on the topic child labor. Children are the most important asset of any nation. Each child is an asset to the society. The future welfare of the society is closely related to the welfare of the child. Children are the future of a nation. They are the flowers of a national garden. It is our duty to protect these flowers. It is a socio-economic problem. Child labor is not a new phenomenon in India. From ancient times, children were required to do work either at home or in the fields along with their parents. Child labor is a global problem. It is more common in underdeveloped countries. Child labor, by and large, is a problem of poor and destitute families whose parents cannot afford education of their children, and thus they have to depend on the earning of their children. The prevalence of child labor is abroad in society. It is a national disgrace that millions of children in a country have to spend a major part of their daily life in hazardous work. The problem of child labor is the result of traditional attitudes, urbanization, migration, lack of education, etc. However, extreme poverty is the main cause of child labor. According to the UNICEF, India is said to have the largest number of world's working children. The participation rates in rural and urban areas are 6.3% and 2.5% respectively. According to a recent report, 17 million children in a country are engaged in earning their livelihood. This constitutes 5% of the total child population. It is about 1/3 of the total child laborers of the world. The child labor is exploited in many ways. Preference of child labor by many employers is due to the fact that it is cheap, safe and without any liability. Many people go to work because of non-availability of schools in their areas, and thus rather than sitting idle, they prefer to go to work. Child labor is very bad for us. There is also a quote that says, "Big buildings, small hands, child labor should be banned." The solutions for child labor are: the country shall make a law that should make a maximum age that the company can use for children. Second, they should make a time limit when the children should go to work. The children should also be fed. Also, they should work in good conditions. The country shall give harsh punishments if the company would not follow the rules. One thing they can do is outlaw child labor altogether. Thank you.